In the past few years, gadgets have become so much a part of our life. These gadgets I'm going to present you today are going to make your life so smooth that you feel like you're sliding down a mountain of butter. Starting from glowing LED cards to a bionic arm that makes you a superhero, let's not wait more but just jump right into the list. Firefly's LED cards. These are Fireflies. The amazing gadget, intentionally shaped like the playing cards, are a super cool pack of 4 supercharged LED blocks that light up and looks 10x cooler than the normal cards. The cool gadget lights up on just a touch of the button. The Firefly's LED cards are 10x more easier to learn. You'll also be given 30 cool and easy tricks. Now you can recreate the Now You See Me in even more cooler way. The card comes in green and blue colors, and now it's up to you, Team Green or Team Blue. Ibotta Bluetooth speaker. If you are a traveler, you love to hike and trek, this amazing speaker is specially built for you. Thanks to its sturdy silicone case, the gadget is resistant to water, dust, and sand. With the high-capacity 2000 mAh battery, speaker lasts even a long day. The powerful device delivers crisp and distortion-free music even at the maximum volume. With all these features packed in, the amazing little gadget is super portable and comes in various colors and cool LED lights. Bionic Arm. With the advancement in bionic technology, over the years the concept of bionic arms are now a reality. Team Open Bionics has taken the initiative to turn your limb difference into a superpower. With the use of clever software and design, the team has developed the most lightweight bionic arm. The powerful machine is strong too, able to lift up to 17.64 pounds. And even to your surprise, the arm is custom designed by a 3D scan of your limb, making it super comfortable, adjustable, and also making it easy to take on and off, while providing you with the best fit. Hogs Star Wars drone. This cool piece of tech is a treat for Star Wars fans. The limited edition of the Millennium Falcon Quad, the most iconic ship in the Star Wars universe. The cool toy gadget is built with the quadcopter technology for a smooth takeoff and onboard stabilization for your ultimate Star Wars flying experience. All thanks to its authentic lights and sound effects. With the Hogs limited edition Falcon drone, you don't have to compromise with your experience. The quad is super easy to control, and your kid's gonna love it. Halluc Crab robot. Next stop, we'll straight away jump to the future Japan. The concept of Halluc 2 is a combination of a vehicle, insect, and an animal. The powerful vehicle, developed with ultra-multi-motored system with 56 motors, is built on a sole motive of coexistence with natural environment. Its unusual body type makes traveling on unpaved surfaces very easy, more importantly climbing of stairs. Maker phone. Mobile phones are today's everybody's obsession. With the Ringo DIY mobile phone kit, you can make your own smartphone at your home. With the package, you'll get everything to make your own fully functional phone that all allows you to make a phone call, message, and whatnot. The kit comes with a smart coding course, using which you can learn Python and code your own games and apps. LED watch. In the age of smartwatches, the Matrix Blue LED watch, featuring sleek and elegant design. The watch displays time in 2 built-in bright LED lights, one stands for hours and another for minutes. The cool gadget comes in black and gold colors. Its cool blue LED lights makes it a million times cooler in low light environment and enhances your fashion to a new level. Now, check out the time without having to worry about your unchecked 129 notifications. SpyFinder Pro. With the advancement of technology in the recent few years, privacy has become a myth, especially when renting a hotel room or an apartment. Small hidden cams can be placed in your hotel room, bathroom, or even in some smallest things, like alarms. With this new gadget you just have to worry nothing. With just a click on the button, the device activates 6 powerful LED lights with 3 intensity levels, helps you detect even the smallest cameras. It doesn't matter if the camera is turned on or off, recording or not, the gadget reflects the lens exposing the cams, which is almost impossible to detect with the naked eye.